Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is such a beautiful sunny day. It's Friday and yeah, the last weekend before I'm going back to work, and today we are planning to go to the forest and then we are gonna be picking some blueberries, and then after that I'm planning to bake those blueberries, probably blueberry cupcakes or blueberry cake. Yes, so we see. I hope that we can pick enough blueberries to make something. And yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. It's Friday and I'm gonna be vlogging today. And yeah, but first let's make some breakfast because everyone's hungry and Rafaela is really hungry. She couldn't wait. So make some breakfast and then we continue the day. But first, let me show you some fresh flowers from the garden. Imagine that. This is the second time that I pick flowers from the garden and it's so nice. I couldn't believe that I actually be able to pick some fresh flowers from the garden. Look how pretty. They are really pretty. So yes, that's the plan for today, and hopefully we get enough blueberries to bake something, or Rosie wants to make a blueberry juice. So I don't think we can do that, but she likes to make some blueberry juice. But for me, I want to bake blueberry cupcakes or blueberry cake. Fingers crossed we're gonna have enough blueberries.
Yes.
Yeah?
I will do blueberry juice.
Yeah. But first, let's make some breakfast and then we continue the day. guys, so we made it to the forest and we actually drove here. This is part of Porvo. So we are going to pick some blueberries and then let's see if we get something, but there are a few of them, so it's gonna be fun. It's like a family activity for today. And so yes, we are here, all of us here, the kids are here and Mayor is here, and yes, it's gonna be fun. Picking. Yeah. Come here for fun.
Ready for you.
Kasi there's a lot of so there is actually like a lot here, like everywhere. All of this has blueberries, so we should get we should get enough what we need. One. May has a lot. This is her second. What the? So we managed to pick a few. 2 boxes. Only Mia picked most of them. And then I just have to like watch out with these little kids. But yeah, we only took 3 containers, small lunch box, so we will just gonna make it full and then we go home. I think it's enough for this is just like fun summer family activity, and be fun. Pick up and then you can eat right away, so it's nice. So we are done picking blueberries and we are going home. We are going home now. We managed to pick 3 boxes of those. Yeah, but we managed to pick there's a lot actually here, like so much. Like we can come back here like every day if we want to, and then just collect those and then put in the freezer for winter. It's really nice. This is a lot. It's just like this is like nearby the road, so just park nearby here the car and then already here the blueberries. So we could come back here anytime if you want to. And we are going home now and gonna do something with these blueberries. I'm gonna bake something for sure. So we are back home and now I'm going to bake some blueberry muffins. So I've got here these blueberries what we got, and I'm going to make some blueberry muffins. And yeah, hopefully it turns out good. It will gonna be the first time that I'm going to make a blueberry muffins, so fingers crossed it will be gonna be good. So yes, I'm doing it now.
I want that one, Mom. And the fruit
Yeah, put on top. I think there's a lot of blueberries already.
There you go. Did you mix it?
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to put this, what you can put on top of this one.
Spoon. And this one.
I think that's enough.
There you go.
Okay, a little bit more.
There you go.
And then cinnamon.
I like to do that sound. Cinnamon. Mix this,
Then mix that one. I'm not sure about this butter. It's so weird. How can I put it? Just on top.
I like that butter. I'm gonna put it on top. I think we put on top. I was like that.
20 minutes.
I heard some machine.
So the blueberry muffins turned out really nice, and it looks good. Look at that! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so excited about this. So it turns out really good. Look at this. Oh, wow, it looks so good. I want to try. Let's try this one. Let's see. Oh my god. So good!
What's that?
So good.